Welcome to channel with another video, guys. I have this MG5 here. So this triangle light on. So that triangle means there is a warning light. That means there's a fault in the car. So you can look up in your display what the problem is. So you need to scroll down using the buttons here. So if you can see the dash, when you go down, you got the issue with your tire pressure. So if you look up, you got all three tire pressures are correct on the blue color, but one is yellow with the low tire pressure. So I'll check my tires. I found the left hand rear tire had a puncture. So I repaired the puncture. Now I'm gonna show you how to reset it, but there is no certain resetting procedure on this car. As long as your tire pressure is correct, the tire pressure resets itself. But sometimes you need to drive the car. On this occasion, this car here need to be driven. I'll let you know once I come back after test drive what happened to the tire pressure. So always open the door. I'll show you now. So on the placard here, you will see the correct tire pressure. So you need to reset the correct tire pressure into the tires, and then it will pick up the sensors automatically, the tire pressure, and resets automatically. If not, you need to drive it for certain kilometers. This automatic tire pressure system called direct tire pressure system by MG. So that means it resets automatically as long as it measured the correct tire pressure what it required. Alright, as you can see, the tire pressure light went off. I had to drive about 1 kilometer, then it's automatically went off. That's picking up the sensors, how much tire pressure on each tire. So yeah, so that's the resetting procedure, guys. There is no actual resetting procedure through the display or through the radio on this MG5. So just you need to find out why the tire pressure is low. If there's a puncture, you need to replace it, repair the puncture, or the tire pressure is low. Just fill up the tire pressure to the required amounts what the placard says on the car. It's 32 psi or 34, like 2 to 2.4 bars. So once you fill up the tire pressure, go for a drive, and it resets automatically. So that's the quick procedure. So yeah, if you guys like the video, if this helps for you, just likes and subscribe to my channel. Run into my channel, just have a look. There are so many videos that you needed to look. It's good for day by day car repairs for DIYs. Thanks again.